Welcome friends and trader. Today topic to talk about the magic of moving averages. Here we learn how moving average can help trader and investors when we use moving averages in our trading system. As we know, the moving average has been used by investor and trader as a many analyzing the price trend. The moving average have the attribute of being able to smooth price fluctuation, making it easier to follow underlying trends and with the naked eye. Use this concept and other technical indicator even with other moving averages can help the traders for a reliable tool for beating the market a fair percentage of the time. Once you know how to use them properly, the growing number of traders and becoming aware of the tremendous profit potential that comes with the integrating moving averages with the trading system. Friends, now we talk about what is moving average. Moving average is an indicator that show the average value of stock price over a period of time. When calculating a moving average, a mathematical analysis of the security average value over a predetermined time periods it's made has a price changes. Its average price move up and down. So basically the moving average is nothing but the past price calculations of the candles. Suppose if we have suppose let we take a 5 moving average, so it means we consider the past 5 closing and then divided by the total number of days. So for that calculation we get the moving average of the current day. So this is a basic formula of moving averages. There are numerous type of moving average we used in the trading system, but mainly we use the two type. One is a simple moving average and exponential moving average. The exponential moving average gives the more weightage to the price as compared to the simple moving average. Friends, so basically the moving averages for a moving averages friends, for moving averages we have only 4 types of moving average we used. First one is 5-day moving average. It is used to identify the short-term trend of the market. Second one is 20-day moving average, it to identify the medium-term market. And 5-day moving average to identify the support in falling market and resistance is rising market. So this is one of the major levels for market or a stock for support and resistance. And last one is 200 day simple moving average, is the most favorite moving average for fund managers and long investors. So friends, we take one example. So here we take 4 moving averages. One is called 5 moving average, 20 moving average, simple moving average, and 50 and 200. Friends, we have an option, and when we selecting the moving averages, one is called simple, exponential, weighted, and triangular. So if I use the simple, so we can use the simple moving average. If I use the exponential, so here I use the exponential moving average, which gives the higher weightage to the price. So we have options. Third one is triangular and weighted, and last one is triangular. So this is the type of moving average we used in the trading system. And we have a following. We use the moving average in close, open, high, and low. If suppose I want to calculate the moving average and the closing price of the security, or so then we use the close. Suppose I want to calculate a stock at a low of the low price of the stock, so we use the low one. Suppose high, and let last one is open. So in this way, but the most preferably is we use the close one. At close side, closing price of the particular stock, we use the moving averages. So friends, here we use the four moving averages. One is 25, 20, 50 and 200. So here you see there are four moving averages. First one is 5 moving averages, which is purple, this one. Second one is 20, which is green. And fourth one is 50 moving average, it is black. And last one is blue, which is in blue line. So this is the four moving averages we used in our chart. Friends, so according to this moving average, if we see the five moving average, the price is the close above the 5 moving average, it is bullish in nature. So it identifies the short term trend. When the price is above the 5-day moving average, it indicates that the nature of the particular stock is bullish in short term trend. Here the price is also above the 20-day moving average. For a medium term, it also is bullish. Or when we check a 15-day moving average, the price is above the 50-day moving average. It also shows that the price is bullish in nature. And last one is 200. So again the price is above 200. So it shows it is a long-term uptrend. So more important moving averages are first one is 50, 20, 50 and 200. When the price is above the 20 moving averages, it clear cut indication that the nature of the stock is bullish in nature, and it shows the uptrend. The price is going to uptrend. And the 15 moving average is also shows that the price is uptrend. So these are two important moving averages, 20 and 50. So friends, so we have a different strategy we use for in moving averages. One is called the crossover of simple moving averages, and second one is trend is friend. So according to the moving averages, we can determine if the two moving averages crosses over here. Friends, here you see the 20 moving average is cross over the 50 moving average. It shows a clear cut indication that the stock is now in a bullish nature. So we can take the positions in a bullish side, and this green line, the 20 moving average and this 50 moving average, act as a support label of the stock. Here you see this is a Nifty chart, and here see the price comes to this level is act as a support, the 50 moving average. The price comes here and bounce back. So this acts as a support label, and it also shows a trend when the 20 moving average is upper side, then lower, then 50 moving average, then 200. It shows the stock price is your trend. The trend is your friend. It means the stock is now uptrend, and you take the position according to the bullish side. You take the position of bullish nature. If the prices fall like this, this one, then price, then this is a candle and it act as a resistance also. This is a candle, so this one is also act as a resistance also. So this moving average is also act as a resistance also. So friends, with the help of moving average, we can find the support level and the resistance level, and whenever the crossover is happening in the stock within the 5 moving average, 20 moving average and 50 moving average, it clearly indicate that the stock is in bullish nature. You take the position according to that. So friends, this is a basic of moving averages. If you help, I think this topic will help you to take the positions in the market. And thank you very much. If you like this channel, so please subscribe this channel. Thank you.